Dear viewers on Madani channel, inshaAllah Azza wa Jal, today we'll be learning about who we can make our murshid, our spiritual guide, and what the conditions are for a murshid. Amir Ahl Sunnat, Dam Barakatuhul Aliyah, writes in his booklet, Jinn Resembling Snake, with reference to Bahari Shariat, published by Maktabatul Madinah, that there are 4 conditions for a murshid. The first is that he must be a Sunni Muslim possessing correct Islamic beliefs. The second is that he must have adequate knowledge, enough that he is able to take out necessary rulings from the books. Number 3, he must not be a fasiq mu'lin, he must not be an open sinner. And number 4, his silsila, his spiritual chain, must connect without any breaks back to our noble Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
सल्लु अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।